back to another Tugs Rug series. This is Travis here. So today we're about to get ready to do a rug for a special nonprofit, man. This nonprofit, man, my kids been a part of this nonprofit since our son was, man, he was in kindergarten. Since he was in kindergarten, he's about to be a junior now in high school. So that's how long it's been. This organization is called Dream, man. If you want to donate to Dream, go to joindream.org, man. If you want to donate to the cause. You can also donate to young entrepreneurs of the future as well. And you can find that at youngentrepreneursofthefuture.com. So they kick it off on Friday. They're going to do a little event, but this one right here, this event here, is only invite only people. So it's not to the public. Guess who's invited? We're invited, man. But anywho, man, let's get to this rug, man. Let's check out that logo real quick. All right, so this is their logo right here, man. Nice and simple, man. It is nice and simple. So we're gonna knock out like a navy blue right here, and then we're gonna knock out some white right there, man. So I'm gonna bring it to the event, man, and then I'm gonna present it, man. Hey, the CEO is Steve Warren, so we're gonna go ahead and present this to Steve Warren and his organization. Hey, man, and yeah, hey, let's get this rug going, man. Let's go. All right, so let's get this navy blue going. Yeah. All right, so we got that line in there. Pull it down just a tad bit. Yeah, I got that line on in there. Looking good already. Go ahead and get this bottom going. I was gonna do a whole outlining around it, but I think this right here would be perfect because I just didn't know what color to put on the outside, you know, because this is blue. So I could have came up with the blue, but then it would have been more blue here. And then white, I can't do white because this is white. So I just left it alone. Just close that D in. And then, yeah, and keep it going. So let's get all this blue in, man. Let's go ahead and get this time lapse going real quick. Let's go. Yes, sir. Got all that blue in there. Oh man, got that blue in that thing. So I should have this on my ring light, right? That's why you got the ring light. Put good little shine on me. But anywho, we about to get ready to get this white in here. So let's go ahead and get that time lapse going on that white, and then we will get the glue on it, and then shave it down, and go ahead and hit it with the clippers so straighten up them lines. And then all we gotta do, take it over there, get to the party, and let's go, baby. Let's get the surprise going. Let's go. people. There it goes. Let's turn this thing around and see what we got going. I already shaved down all the little pricklies that was coming out, so let's turn this thing around. All right, and there it goes, people. The big D. Yes, Lord. So I'm gonna get that thing shaved down, and then I'm gonna come in and shave it around there and get that nice and clean, and then we can present this thing. All right, people, man. Got me in the wifey over there. I got the rugs back there. And we're about to get ready to go and present this thing. Let's go.
Glad y'all made it.
I know, we're waiting. I know.
All right, people, and that was it, man. I think that was a great surprise, man. I enjoyed doing that rug for them, man. That was very special, man. So, hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click that bell, man. Hey, see y'all on the next rug. Peace.